Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assessing the problem. Open Settings and View Storage to see which folders or apps consume GB. Backup photos, videos, and essential documents to cloud or an external drive now, because deletions are irreversible. Once backed up, enable the Device Storage Manager or Cleanup feature so the system can suggest safe removals. Make sure to note large media folders and downloads, because those are the first targets for immediate space recovery. You now perform deeper cleanup. Uninstall unused apps and clear app caches or app data for heavy apps like social and streaming services, because caches can be many GB. Use a storage analyzer to reveal large files, duplicate images, and forgotten downloads, then delete or move them. Move photos, videos, and music to an SD card or cloud storage, and compress large archives to save tens of % of space, making sure frequently used files remain local for performance. You finish by configuring storage policies. Set automatic deletion of old backups, choose SD card as default for media, and enable periodic cleanup so the problem stays solved. If storage still runs out and nothing else helps, consider a factory reset after exporting everything important, because that clears hidden system bloat. If free space still looks incorrect, reboot in safe mode and inspect hidden system partitions, or use a PC tool to detect orphaned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.